As a team, clinic, admin, TC, we are all going to get on board with same-day starts. We are all going to get on board with the idea that there are 8 new patients coming in today, and all 8 of them are going to same-day start. So the answer is yes. What's the question? So I need everyone's help in this. I need my admin team to be watching the flow, to be watching the schedule, to see that, oh, Tracy just got another same-day start. I need them to adapt in that moment and be able to host the front of the house. We'll call it front of the house, right? I need them to be able to check in with the different moms and the different parents, or make sure that we're still running as on time as we possibly can, because I understand that there is a chance that I may throw things in the clinic a little bit stressful. I might make us run a little bit longer for a minute. It could be a little chaotic. We all have seen that happen. That's truth. I'm just talking about reality here. It's not what I plan, but it happens. And I need my team up front to be watching that, anticipating that, and I need them to help run the front of the house and make sure that all those moms are fine, everybody's cool, they're all being updated, and they will be gracious if you're being transparent and explaining that, hey, Susan's almost done with her appointment. She's just wrapping up right now. She's just getting her elastics next, and then she'll be out in 2 minutes. Why don't we go ahead and schedule your next appointment? That's my A team up front. They rock. They're helping out. They're helping keep everybody happy. They're hosting everyone. It's fine. No big deal, because in the back, we might be running 5 minutes over. So in the back, my clinic team is on point. They're strategizing. They're going like, okay, Janelle, you take those 2. I'll take these 2. This one's just finishing up, just waiting for their retainer to come out. That's perfect. Awesome. Then we're gonna flip that chair, and then you're gonna put your start over here. Just give me 3 minutes, Tracy. Like, go back and sign some contracts or whatever. So then I, as a TC, go back in the room, sign the contracts. I go ahead and go over informed consent. I go ahead and talk through the next couple of steps in the process with them. I may even go ahead and schedule their appointment. Whatever I need to do to help make enough time for the clinic to adapt to this new patient that we're adding to the clinic. The answer is yes. What's the question?